Good afternoon. So I'm here with Rachel Toole, who's the deputy head at Park School. We've been invited in to do a talk with the year 10 and year 11s, and I'm just going to ask Rachel how she's found that talk.
So it was really good, really knowledgeable. The kids were really engaged. It really reached out to our kids and related to our kids. Some of them didn't give the best answers, but that's okay. They get a bit anxious when new speakers come in, but it was really good. I'd definitely recommend you to our other academies.
Thank you very much. And you know, as an organisation, Genuine Futures, we're here to support young people. So a lot of the work that we do, we work from ages of 12 all the way up to 24, and we recognise that there is a problem. There is a gap when it comes to children making a transition into the work environment. So as an organisation, we're trying to fill that gap and trying to offer some support. Um, from what you see on your everyday work here at Park School, what sort of issues do you see arise, and what sort of gap, or how do you see that problem being filled?
Yeah, so when a lot of our students leave, they're expected to get a job or go to college, and that doesn't work for some of our kids. Some of our
Right.
kids need more hands on things. They don't fit into the current education system that exists. So we're always looking at other ways that we can help support and get them in something that, one, they enjoy, and two, that'll lead them to a good future. So the work that you guys are doing really fills that gap and gives kids hope that they don't just have to go and sit in a classroom, because our kids struggle to do that.
Yeah, and you know, from our own experience, we know that there's different ways that people learn. There's different learning environments, and we've tried to ourselves create something where the environment is different, but the learning experience is it covers or ticks some of those same boxes. So you still get to communicate, they still get to express themselves, still get to work on resilience. And
Yeah.
I guess the last thing I'd ask you is, if anybody was asking you for a recommendation for a provider, what would you say to them about what you've experienced today?
So it was really good. I think we're the first in the trust to experience you guys coming in, and we'd definitely recommend it. I think it's give our kids a bit of hope that actually we can do something when we leave school. We can. Your stories related to so many of our students, and that was really good. So we definitely recommend Genuine Futures to others.
Well, thank you, Rachel. Thanks for your
Thank
time,
you.
and thanks for having us today.
No problem. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
On the yard at the scrappers where engines used to fade, we built a hub of hope where futures can be made. Bucket sponges, steady hands, graph beneath the sun, young voices rise.